Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials in place. Connect your Xbox 360 to the internet. Wired gives stability, Wi-Fi works too. Once done, sign in with your Xbox account. Make sure your controller is synced and the console has stable power. If you prefer offline, prepare a FAT32 USB drive and download the official system update file from Microsoft to the root. Plug the USB into the console. Turning the console off and on will prompt detection. This gets you ready for the actual update process. You now run the update itself. Go to Settings, then System, Console Settings, and System Info to check current version. If the console detects an update over Xbox Live, accept and let it download. Do not turn off the power. For USB installs, insert the FAT32 drive, then reboot the console. It should read the update file and prompt installation. Follow on screen prompts exactly and wait until the console reboots. This ensures files are written correctly and the system transit. You finish by confirming the update completed. Check system info for the new version after the reboot. If you encounter errors, don't panic, turn off and retry the install, try a different FAT32 USB drive, or switch to a wired connection and run the update again. Make sure to clear local cache before retrying and keep controller batteries fresh. Only perform a factory reset as a last resort and backup saved games to cloud or USB first, because resets erase local data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.